Hi, I'm Deepa from Fuschiagbalsolutions. Today, the job role we are discussing is Unity Developer, and the job location is Ahmedabad. The minimum experience required is 1 year, and the job descriptions is we are seeking a developer responsible for building games for various target platforms based on the Unity framework. Your primary responsibilities will be to implement game functionality, translating design ideas, concepts, and requirements into a functional and engaging game. A commitment to collaborative problem solving, sophisticated design, and a quality product are essential. These skills are a candidate should have excellent knowledge of Unity, including experience with scripting, textures, animation, GUI styles, and user session management. Familiarity with level design and planning, experience with game physics and particle systems, experience with mobile and console game development, experience optimizing memory and space usage for support of older hardware, experience with 3D is a plus. Prior experience with a well known mobile title or AAA title are a significant asset. Ability to constantly learn and stay in touch with evolving game standards are development technologies. Strong understanding of object oriented programming, familiarity with current design and architectural patterns, a knack for writing clean, readable, and easily maintainable code, experience implementing automated testing platforms and unit tests, proficient knowledge of code versioning tools such as Git, SVN, and Mercurial. The responsibilities will be a candidate should be responsible to implement game functionality as per communicated design, translate design specification into functional game, communicate with other team members to establish effective pipeline and integrate media assets, design, build and maintain efficient, reusable and reliable code, ensure the best possible performance, quality and responsiveness of applications, identify bottlenecks and bugs and devise solutions to address and mitigate these problems, help maintain code quality, organization and optimization. So, guys, this is a job requirement. Any of you or your friends are seeking a job in this particular area, so please apply writing a mail on our mail ID which I have provided in the description. Please apply for this job and share it with your friends as much as possible. If you or your friends are seeking for a different job, please share that job title in the comment. If we have any such clients, we'll make a video out of that, and our team will get in touch with you shortly to schedule the interview with the client. Subscribe to this channel for more such videos. Thank you. Stay in touch.